Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Clear table, wash hands, and open the kit. Don't dawdle. Use the wet wipe to remove oils, then dry with the microfiber. This removes fingerprints that trap dust. Once done, fit the alignment frame or guide to the phone. This ensures the protector will land squarely. Make sure the screen is on so you can see smudges, turn off notifications or airplane mode to avoid interruptions. Align the top edge with the camera cutout and get ready to lift the release tab slowly. You now peel the protector backing about halfway and keep one edge supported. This prevents the adhesive from catching dust prematurely. Slowly lower the exposed edge onto the screen using the frame or a tape hinge for control, and when it touches, press the center once to anchor it. Then slide a soft card or squeegee outward to push air bubbles and align as you go. This technique reduces trapped dust and keeps edges flush. If a speck appears, pause and lift slightly to remove it. You finish by peeling off the top liner slowly while pressing toward the edges with the microfiber to seal the bond. Take care around cameras and buttons. Remember, tiny bubbles often disappear within 24 to 48 hours as the adhesive settles, but larger bubbles mean a trapped particle, so lift the nearest corner gently, use a dust sticker to grab the speck, and reseat the protector. If alignment is off, remove and reapply immediately. Adhesives weaken after many attempts, so be decisive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.